Congratulations, new mom. Are you able to sleep well? Do you feel exhausted? How about your mental health? In this video, I will show the 5 best yoga poses for a restorative and relaxing postpartum experience and a bonus exercise for new moms. Listen to your body and do not push yourself too hard. Ease yourself back into your yoga practice, keeping in mind that getting back into shape is an ongoing process. Also, please consult your doctor or medical provider before doing any yoga and exercises after your child's birth. Every mom really wants to get their tummy flat. It doesn't look good, doesn't feel great while the self-confidence is going down. Stop doing high-intensity exercises like planks, crunches, etc. That would be a major problem. Ask your partner or someone who can take care of your baby for an hour. Forget about everything and let's get started. Let us look onto the power of the breath and its ability to shift our viewpoint. Find a place to sit. Keep calm and listen to your body. Calm the mind and create balance through a few rounds of Pranayama. Take the thumb and fourth finger and place them over the bridge of your nose. Gently close off the right nostril as you take a full inhale through the left nostril. At the top of the inhale, take a moment to pause, feeling the fullness of the breath. Then close off the left nostril as you exhale through the right. Taking a brief pause at the bottom of the exhale, keeping the left nostril closed. Inhale through the right. Pause. Close off the right nostril and exhale through the left. Continue through 5 more rounds, ending with an exhale through the left nostril. Throughout the process, keep your body straight and calm your mind. Let's reconnect to our core. Close your eyes and take a long breath. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Listen to your body and the calmness of your mind. Forget all your troubles for now. Adding a deeper awareness around the belly, begin to draw the navel towards the spine. Exhale on count of 4 or 5. This pose is for creating full awareness of yourself. The better you take care of yourself, the better you can care of your baby. Try not to create any tension around the upper back, shoulders or neck. Imagine as if you are giving your abdomen a deep internal hug. Continue for 10 to 15 rounds. Make sure you do a full inhalation and a complete exhale, drawing in around the belly. This breath can help you reconnect to your core and begin to promote the healing of any diastasis recti that may have resulted from pregnancy. In the chaos and lack of rest which comes with a new baby, it seems easy to pull all self-care aside. But your baby will benefit most with the mother who is also taking care of herself. For this pose, take your knees as wide as comfortable, then lower your hips towards your heels and you will feel a gentle stretch in your lower back and hips. Extend your arms out in front of you but relax them completely so the muscles in your chest and shoulders can soften. Tension in your upper back will release over time. With your eyes closed, let your jaw relax and just melt into this restorative and grounding posture for a couple of minutes. Your breath will slow down into a deep, calming pace. Postpartum swelling around the ankles and feet is fairly common. This posture has the potential to relieve swelling as well as the ability to send blood back to the heart to promote recirculation. It is the perfect pose to relieve tension in the legs and feet as well as to balance the nerve system. 5 minutes of this can be as calming and restorative as a 20 minutes nap. To get into this pose, find an empty wall space whether on the ground or on your bed and sit so on one side of your body is against the wall as you pivot and swing your legs up. You don't need to have your hips and thighs touching the wall. The postures resting here will give your hamstrings and lower back a chance to soften and lengthen as the stagnant fluids drain from your legs. This is incredibly restorative for both body and mind. It can also be very calming and even energizing when you are through. If you have time, you can stay in this posture for a couple of minutes or even up to 20 minutes. Relax and feel your body. Now slowly lower down your legs as shown and stay in the relaxing pose for a while. Eagle arms, this one will feel great, especially after the first couple of weeks of holding and feeding your new baby. Sitting upright on the ground or on a chair, extend your arms out in front of you and cross your right arm underneath your left. Bend at the elbows and cross again at the wrists. If this is a little tight, you can modify by grabbing opposite shoulder or even using a strap between your hands. Relax your shoulders down and you can hold still or experiment with movement that feels good for you. Hold for a few deep breaths or up to a couple of minutes and remember to take the same variation for the same amount of time on your left side. Kegel exercises or stopping your pee are important to women's health before, during, and after pregnancy. Routine Kegel exercises can help a woman maintain her strength and can also prevent medical complications after giving birth. Any woman who has had incontinence problems or who just has minor leaking when laughing, sneezing, or jumping will benefit from these exercises. Interrupt the flow of urine. At first, if your muscles are weak, you may not be able to stop the flow completely, but if you repeat this process 8 times every time you urinate, your muscles will grow stronger. Thank you.